Hi, it's Fanny of Living Richly on a Budget. Today I'm going to make Instant Pot Thai curry chicken. I'm a huge fan of Thai curry chicken, and before I used to go to a Thai restaurant to get it and spend a lot of money just to get one dish, and now I can make it in the Instant Pot, and it's super easy. It's only a couple ingredients. It's not totally from scratch because we're all busy. It's just something to break up the monotony of the same old that was for dinner, and it's just something different and satisfying, and I feel like I'm eating at a restaurant when I'm cooking at home. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 to 2 pounds of skinless, boneless chicken thighs cut into small pieces, 2 bell peppers sliced, Trader Joe's Thai curry sauce, either yellow or red curry, and 1 can of coconut milk. I'm going to show you another way to cook it in Instant Pot, and it's in saute mode. And this is for situations where you're not around a stove, like you're in a dorm or you're in a hotel room or you're in a trailer or you're camping. This is another way to cook. The first thing we're going to do is open our lid. I'm going to put it on saute mode. So it's saute. I'm going to put it on more. You can adjust this less, normal, more. Now the Instant Pot says hot, so it's ready to cook. And 2 tablespoons of oil. About 2 pounds of boneless chicken thighs. It's almost finished cooking. Now we're going to add in 2 bell peppers, could be any color. And we're going to add in Thai yellow curry sauce from Trader Joe's. You can use the red curry sauce too. Pour in the whole bottle. Give it a stir. You're going to add in coconut milk. This is also from Trader Joe's. You can do reduced fat or regular fat coconut milk. And just use half a can. I'm going to let this simmer until the vegetables are cooked. Just give it like a couple minutes. This is about done. You can also add cubed tofu in here, and just to like add more protein and to make it like feed more people. I actually like having tofu in here, but I didn't have tofu today at the moment. But usually we have tofu in here with the meat. This is done, so I'm gonna press the cancel button to stop the saute mode. I'm gonna plate this up. Was that easy or what? Now you can make Thai yellow curry chicken at home in the Instant Pot. You don't have to go to a Thai restaurant anymore to get curry chicken. If you like this video, please click thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to hit the bell notification to get notified about my latest videos. See you next time. Bye!